Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today I am at Walmart. I want to see what they have for the 2022 spring season with grill and barbecuing. Yeah, we're going to take a look. You stay and you shop with me. I found an entire aisle of barbecue items. Great if you're planning to barbecue this year. Now, first we have this 3-piece grilling set. You always need a lot of new grilling items because they get rusty and they get dirty at the end of the season. So that was a good deal over here at Walmart. Now, if you just want individual tools, they have that too. They have some cleaning tools, they have some pans, some by Cuisinart. Look at that one, is a grill topper. Here's some stuff to clean. You always got to keep your grill clean, and at the beginning of every season, I recommend you do that each spring. Now, here is, if you want to try something new, a barbecue basket. I always thought that was nice from Cuisinart. Over here, I see some great spatulas. Those are very nice. Not too bad a price either, depending on what it is that you're looking for. And I always like the spatula. There's a egg ring tray. I have never made eggs on the grill. I wanted to take a look and see what that was. Look you can make cool eggs with stuff in them. I love my eggs. So, hey, if you're camping, that would be a great idea, I think. And the cleaning kit that you definitely need in the beginning. If you've never cleaned your barbecue or never had one, you're going to need that. Here is a grill caddy, and I never really used that. A conversion kit, I don't know if you need that. Here's some more equipment, another spatula and another nice knife. Now that's a griddle spatula. I don't know what the difference is, but it's very flat. It's all completely flat. Now here are some seasoning. I'm going to show you more when it comes to seasoning because there's a lot of different kinds of seasoning. Now here are some other items. Now this one is a burger kit. This is going to help you make the perfect burger. It's nice to be camping and have a great burger, but you always want to have a good burger when you're grilling. There's a griddle press for some bacon. That's really nice. And here are some more sets, the griddle set and the regular barbecue set, along with some temperature. You need to keep the temperature. It has to be a certain level when you cook things. You want to have them safe. You don't want to eat something that's too raw. So I advise you get one of those. Now over here, these are some cheaper items. They weren't as good as the sets. But if you only need an individual item, you need a brushing tool or something, those are worth getting. Now here is more grill covers because you probably are going to want to cover your grill at the end because otherwise it'll be rusty and it'll be harder to clean each time you use it. So there's different sizes and different types. Check out and see what they have over there. And let's see what we got here. Well, I'm dying to show you some of the great barbecue sauces and things at Kansas City. One of them was already gone. Hickory smoked. Yummy. These all look good. I might have to go back and try some of these. I was going to grab one. I'll show you later. Here's some steak sauce. Wow, all the different things I would never even think of. And hot and roasted garlic. What do we have here? Now, these are dry rubs. That one's for steak. Nice steakhouse. Something missing. Where is that one? It's gone. Tequila Lime. I've never tried that. Cajun. Well, I'm not too into Cajun. There, look at a cheesesteak. That sounds really good. Parmesan ranch. Sesame teriyaki. Oh my God. Loaded Italian and Korean sweet barbecue. I love Korean food. Here's some Memphis and some Texas rubs and some smoky rubs. Lone Star rub. I did see a rub that I really liked. There's a pulled pork. I love pulled pork. Now this is the one I'm dying to try. And there was only one left. I should have grabbed it. Mango. Here is what it says about it. That's if you want to cook it, put it on some shrimp. Sounds really delicious to me. I like that idea. And here's some information on the pulled pork. I like that it gives you a little bit of recipe and some little ideas on each one because not everybody is a professional barbecuer out there. You got to learn somehow. Now there's a sweet in a Kansas City and a Tennessee. What am I finding down here? Some other different kinds of steaks and bird. I guess that's for fish, ranch, and you name it. What do you need? Red Ninja? You like yours hot? They have hot stuff if you really like some hot. And then again, there are some missing already. So this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope I helped you get the right things for your barbecue this season. You make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a thumbs up, and watch all our videos.